Hey guys, welcome back. You are watching Simplified Coding. I am Belal and we are learning Kotlin programming language. So what we have learned so far is defining variables and constants and displaying message and concatenating variable values with the message we are displaying. So in this video we will learn about the conditional statements. So every programming language has some conditional statements like if else, switch. You have learned these already, but in Kotlin we have if else, but if else works as an expression here, so we don't have the ternary operator here which we use in Java and C and other languages. We don't have this. We can use if else instead of this. So let's see how if else works in Kotlin. So let's say we have two values. One is var a and it is equals to 10 and another is var b which is equals to 20. Now we can define a variable large which will store the largest values from these two variables. So let's say we will write if, and then if a is greater than b, then that means a is larger, so we will write a, else b. So if this condition is true, it will return this and the a will be stored in large. And if this condition is false, then it will come here and b will be stored to large. So let's print the value, print ln largest is $, curly braces and large. Now let's run this code. And you can see the largest is 20. So this is how if else work in Kotlin. But this does not mean you cannot put block for if else. You can also use block. Let's see how you can do it. So if you have to execute a number of statements for if and else, you can put it inside a block. And the last statement of the block will return the value. So you can write it here, a is largest, and the last statement will be returned and will be stored in this large variable. The same you can do with else part as well. So the last statement will be returned and we can write here b is largest. So let's see. You can see here b is largest and also the value is returned and stored in this large variable. So this is how if else work in Kotlin. We also have switch, but in Kotlin we don't have the switch keyword, but the switch is replaced by when and it has more cool features. Let's see about when. So when we have to select from a list of options, we use switch, and in Kotlin we do the same using when. So let's say we have a variable and the value is red, then we can write when a is red and then arrow operator and then put the statement that you want to execute here. So you can write println value is red. Println value is blue. Now if this does not matches with any of the options, you can put a default option as well using else. Value is neither red nor blue. So let's try running it. You can see value is red. If you have only one statement for when, then it is not necessary to put the curly braces. You can do it this way as well. Now run it. You can see the value is red. So this is how we use when in Kotlin. You can also do some more operations using when. Let's say we have another variable x and the value is 10. Now we want to compare it within a range, so we can write when x is in, you can use the in and then 1 dot dot 10, that means x is inside or between 1 to 10. Then we can print ln x is between 1 to 10 in 20 to 30, right? Print ln x is between 20 to 30, and you can put else x is not in the range. Let's try running it. You can see x is between 1 to 10. So you can use when this way as well. So this is how we work with conditional statements in Kotlin. So this is it for the video, guys, and in the next video we will learn about loops. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and if you are having any confusions you can leave your comments, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.